The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty takes you on a tour of this very unique property.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And our teammate Marcia Taylor.
Hey Heather. Hey John.
And I am very excited to show you guys this beautiful property here near Calico Rock. And so Marcia, tell us a little bit about it before we go in.
Okay, this is a beautiful piece of property, nice location. It's about 15.5 acres and we've got a pond over here in the distance. It's fenced on 3 sides and then there's poles on the 4th side to put up fencing if you want to. And then the house is a little over 3,000 square feet and we're getting ready to walk in here and show it to you.
Let's go.
Watch yourself.
Alrighty, thank you, Marcia.
You're welcome, Heather.
How'd you end up in here?
You are fast, John.
He is. Well, I love this entryway. Nice.
And you don't see many of these anymore.
No, nice and wide and beautiful tall ceilings and
Definitely. And we have coat closets galore here.
wow. And it just goes all the way through on that side.
It does.
I love the woodwork.
Isn't
I
it
did
gorgeous?
too.
Solid wood doors. They paid a lot of attention to what they did to this.
And you walk right into this large living room area, and again, very well taken care of. I love the trim at the top.
And this is almost like a master suite because there's the other bedrooms are on the other side of the house. And the master living area is here. There's a bathroom over here, the living area here, and you've also got the master bedroom back here with some surprises.
And this is a huge bedroom. Lots of natural light once again, and
Lots of large furniture, so you can probably fit most of your furniture in here.
I love the fans. You have
Aren't they
2 ceiling
gorgeous?
fans, they're very pretty. And Marcia, I'm excited to show John our surprise in here.
Okay, John.
I'm worried.
So here is one of 2 closets, but step on in and go around the corner and we have a surprise for you.
Oh, what is this?
We're gonna push him down the stairs.
Wait a minute, Heather. Is there a storm warning?
Not today,
I'm
thankfully.
not going to go in the storm zone then. I don't trust you.
Well, it is there just in case. It's 8 by 9 and about 5 foot
foot tall.
ceilings.
Wow. And right here in the master bedroom, you hear
Yep.
the tornado warning go off for some reason?
All you gotta do is jump down
There you
there.
go.
Go down there. I've been down there with the electric, put the coffee pot on there. And it's,
You can put a couple chairs, take some of your books,
okay.
and just right through here is the primary bathroom.
This is the master. I'll let you follow Heather.
And you have double sinks, lots of cabinets in here, and this
Solid
beautiful,
surface countertops.
beautiful jetted tub, and a nice tall shower.
And tile floors and backsplash.
And John, I think I'm just gonna close this door.
Well, where am I?
Actually, we can all fit in this closet. So
Yes,
here's
this
the
is
second.
the master closet, the
Yep.
second master closet.
This is a master
I know.
closet.
Nice tall ceiling, so you have above storage.
Wow. All right.
This is the
Cabinet.
she closet.
That's right.
That was the he closet.
This would be my closet. Well, let's go out this way and to the breezeway. We don't have many breezeways in a lot of the homes in this area, but you have tile floors that carry on into the dining room and kitchen. And I love this where you can put your plants.
Yep.
Enough space that she has a couple of freezers out here. You can come on through here. And John, check out this space in here.
This is a combined kitchen dining room. Very well
You
designed.
know, we're gonna show everyone a couple surprises. So
This is what I would call a country kitchen. In the full sense of the word.
It certainly is.
And
And can I do the honors over
you
here?
can, yes.
Oh, yay.
Actually, I think you should just take us on a little surprise. John, John, just turn your back. And if you want to check out some of the pull-out drawers over here.
Wow, look at that.
Yes, very nice. All of these cabinets are custom made. So look how beautiful those are. It does. So let me just show you. Ah!
It's the spice cabinet.
She's spicy.
Yes.
Sweetest one for last.
But
Not only that, here you have an additional pantry area.
It's almost like
It is a huge pantry.
you know, this is where I would be hiding out from my daughter eating all the good snacks.
That's amazing.
And it keeps going.
And then you have your utility room back here where the electrical panel and the heating and air units are.
Everything is so well done. All the construction, the insulation, the bracing, the pipes, the wires. It's all been done so well.
All right, see you later.
Oh. Wait a minute.
Bye.
I'm following
I guess you can come out.
Yeah.
And you have a beautiful front door. It lets in a lot of natural light over here. And big front yard. We'll go see the yard here in a little bit. And a really nice size laundry room. You have cabinets, you have your utility sink, washer, dryer. And you also have
Your
ironing
ironing board.
board.
Ooh,
Right here,
Yay.
convenient.
very good.
And all solid wood doors.
Beautiful doors. Marcia, do you want to show them the next surprise?
Let's do that. And here, I'm going to show you what was the original purpose of this building or this room was a game room, and they've got a lot of some real nice scroll work here in the entryway. But it's been turned into a dining room with 2 additional bedrooms and 1.5 baths in here. And then you've also got a living area right here. And then you have what's left of the game room back over here.
You know, I think we should challenge John in a shuffleboard match.
That'd be great.
Well, you could do a lot with this space.
You
I
could do a
mean,
tremendous amount with this space.
Right, you could turn it into, you know, more games into this room, or if you wanted to, you could probably add a couple more rooms back this way. And
when somebody comes in here, they'll notice that there are outlets on the ceiling. Those outlets originally, when it was a game room, had neon lighting in it.
And I think there's space about every 4 feet.
Something like that, yeah. And then we're gonna go into the second bedroom. This is a half bath right here for the open area.
That's very convenient.
And then we have the second bedroom with a full bath. Now it's only got a shower, but it's a nice size shower.
These rooms are very comfortable.
They are very usable. And you have quite a bit of privacy in them as well. Here's our third bedroom. On the right is the closet.
I love how tall the ceilings are.
I do too.
We'll just show them how, look how big these doors are. And you have more space up there.
Heather, you wanna
Yes.
do the honors here?
And I love this room. We have this sunroom out here. Feels very nice and warm. You have this fan. lot of natural light coming in.
Have doggy doors if you have a dog.
And just off of there was the breezeway, and then you can access it through the bonus game room, or even you have an exterior door from when we started. And then this right here is the 3-car attached garage, which makes it very convenient because you're not stepping outside, getting rained on with the groceries.
Yep. God, this feels good.
Okay. Well, what are you two guys doing here? I thought you were going to show us stuff.
We're enjoying the country view,
Yes.
John. Take a look out there
This nice covered porch,
with a wonderful breeze.
hearing the wind chimes. It's very peaceful out here.
It's extremely peaceful out here. And a gorgeous, in the springtime, there'll be a gorgeous row of crepe myrtles down there along the driveway.
Well, you know, Marcia, I guess we should show them the pond and the barn and the storage shed.
That's a good idea. Oh, John, by the way, this right over here is the well house.
Very easy to spot.
Yep.
Now, Marcia, is most of the property fenced off?
3 sides are fenced off, and the 4th side has the posts, but it doesn't have the fencing on it.
Well, let's walk around. I'm excited to see the pond.
Me too. I haven't been over there yet.
Beautiful. There's a few clouds in the sky. Makes
Yeah.
it nice. And Marcia, I believe the owner had told us that this pond is usually always full.
Yeah, she said this is mostly rainwater. It's not a spring-fed pond, and it's about 8 feet deep. They used to have catfish in it, but they don't have any anymore.
Well, I'm sure whoever purchases this property can fill it back up.
I'm sure they can.
Look how gorgeous that is.
Got a nice little walkway around it with lighting.
Oh, very nice. You can come out here night fishing at that time.
That's it.
You could put a little dock out here. And I like that you have some trees around it. So
Yep.
you have some shade during the summer.
Yeah.
Okay, Heather, jump in.
It's a little
right.
too cool today, John. I think I might take a bite on that.
I think we need to go look out of the barn.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Nice open spaces. To see John get on that rooster and ride it. You think it works?
And over here to the right, this little barn area, the owner has a little chicken coop back here, and the previous owners had goats on the property. And you have lean-tos on both sides of the property.
Look, perfect for pulling your little tractor in there or lawn mowers, work equipment. Come on in. Has electric out here. Very nice barn.
That's an organized barn I've ever seen.
It
It
is.
is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of space to walk
built in
around.
this year.
Back over here is where her little chicken coop was. And originally it could open all the way for the goats as well.
You're lucky goats you got to live here.
And this is really convenient to get to because
It certainly is.
just right through that
So you
door.
have the game room, the door to the game room over
Yeah.
here. And you can walk right out and you can come over here to this little storage area.
And it has electric too. Has a couple of fans.
I'll let you
And a wall unit over there. And look at how much decorations and holiday stuff you could hold.
Yes, ma'am. You can make it a workshop. There's a air conditioner back there.
Very well taken care of. Well, Marcia, tell them how they can find out more information about this property.
Well, you can look us up on our website at enjoytheozarks.com. And then you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube.
All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
See you.
To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks Team. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 LeMac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.